Hey guys, today we have Gamesir X2 PRO gaming controller for Android. So without any delay, let's unbox this controller. In the box we get this nice quality carry pouch, and inside the pouch we have our controller. Let's do some gaming, but before that, guys, the money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much. First, we are going to play the Minecraft. Phone connected directly through the USB, so that's why there is no complaints about latency issues. By the way, the phone we are using for the game testing is Xiaomi 13 Pro. This is the new Xiaomi's flagship smartphone in 2023. If you want to watch this phone's unboxing, you can find that end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.